Hello everyone, I'm back. I've been absent for a little while. Um, Busy receiving treatment. But at the moment, I'm in my room. And I'm going to turn the phone around because my niece is busy making chicken acne on her own. I've taught her how to make it and I just left her with the camera rolling. And I'm going to go with my wheelchair now and go inside the cozy tray. Whoop. Maak ek 'n accident. 1 second. Ek kry hom met die wheelchair. Oh, will I be able to get out? Oh, this chair must be pushed. Wasila.
Hello everyone.
Sila, tell the people what you're making.
Chicken Ahkni.
Your style.
Yes, my style.
Okay guys, the next clip is where she's going to show us what she's doing. There she's using the phone. This is the setup. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye everyone. Love you guys. Hello everyone. Okay, there Wasila started now with a pot with some oil. That's olive oil. She threw in about 6 curry leaves, and in there goes cinnamon sticks, some cardamom pods, star anise, I saw allspice, and this is 2 large onions finely chopped, and she's going to fry that now for a few minutes. Here we go. Anyways guys, I'm doing well. I love you guys. I miss you. I'm so proud of Wasila making her chicken acne. Sunny, keep quiet. Okay, what's that? Okay, cumin. I don't have my bro on. That's about a teaspoon of cumin. Onions have a nice color to them. That's about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. A nice heaped tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. And a teaspoon or 2 of chopped green chili. This is optional.
Hello everyone.
That's a teaspoon of salt.
Hello everyone. Hello.
It's 3 to 4 tablespoons of masala and a teaspoon and a half or 2 of turmeric. Skochi water. Stir and cook the spices through. She's using the phone. This is the setup. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, what is that? Okay, I think she threw in a little paprika. A teaspoon of paprika. Another skochi water. I told her to do what she feels like
I'm
doing.
gonna add the chicken.
Okay, in with the chicken.
Yes.
This meal is feeding 2 families, so we're making a lot.
10 to 12 whole potatoes.
I think it's 12 pieces
How
of
many
chicken.
people will this feed?
This will feed about
8.
8,
Oh, lekker hoender.
8 to 10.
Chicken Ahkni, we gonna have Chicken Ahkni. Oh yeah. Go Silla. Go girl. Lekker. You know the potatoes. You know, for me, a chicken Ahkni, yes, the rice is delicious. The chicken is delicious, but you must have a nice amount of potatoes. And this is the mash and bake potato. It cooks very quickly and it melts in your mouth. Enough water to cook the potatoes until soft. Ooh, damn I.
Can you see me?
Yes,
Yeah, this way.
that side. That's better. Now,
Hello everyone, here I am. I'm good. I am around. I'm good. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Okay. Another stir. So before you add your rice, make sure the potatoes are soft. It doesn't have to be 100%, about 95%. And when you add your rice, you're gonna have to add another teaspoon of salt, and that is for your rice, to flavor your rice. So earlier on when she threw in the salt, I couldn't see properly, so I'm guessing it was 2 teaspoons, if she's not going to add now anymore. And add enough water to cover. You'll see it's like almost, let me see, 1 centimeter of water covering. That's like, how you say the word? Like that, man. It must look like it's swimming. About 25-30 minutes later, this is what you get. A nice chicken Ahkni. Well done, Wasila. Look at that. A bit dhania, some coriander. And as the food sits for another 15-20 minutes in the pot, what was that sound? Your rice is going to swell up more. So you can simmer it for another 10-15 minutes on very low, or switch off the heat and close the pot, and then come back in 10 minutes and dish up. And there Wasila also made some sly. And there you go. Wasila side is a chicken Ahkni. Well done. I'm so proud of you. Anyways, guys, that's the video. We love you. We're going to be back again. Bye-bye.